Hey everyone, it is Nancy Ann, and today we are unboxing my monthly Sips by Tea subscription. Hey everyone, thank you so much for being here and for watching me do my monthly unboxing of a Sips by Tea. This is only my second month of doing this. I was surprised by how much I enjoyed this last month, to be quite honest with you. I thought when I ordered this, it was something I could actually use. I'm a big tea drinker, and it's not that expensive. It's $16 a month, and if you use my referral link down below, you'll save $5 off your first month. But I just thought it was something I would do and it would be kind of fun to unbox and we'd all see what it was together. But I actually really enjoyed this throughout the month, having some different types of teas to try without a huge commitment to having a big container of them. There's 4 different tea types in here. Each little packet is about 4 cups per packet, so it's 16 cups of tea, and it's just fun to kind of discover something new. I absolutely love tea. You can either get herbal or black or a combination of, and I decided to go with all black this month because I have plenty of herbal tea in the house. Okay, so let's open it. Piece of paper. There we go. There's a little piece of paper on the top. It has May teas written on it. There's a description of the teas on the back. It actually says made for Nancy Ann, so it's personalized. Let's see, what else? Oh, and I will read, if I need to, the descriptions off the back of that. So in each box comes little packs that these are muslin tea cloths, and they're reusable. So in each one of these, there's 2 of them. There are 4 of these little reusable muslin tea cloths. Now I have an Ingenuitea, and I'll show that to you when we do a taste test after we're done unboxing. But for me, traveling, these would be just great. I've asked for the loose leaf, so I would need these, or if somebody doesn't have another method of containing their loose leaf tea when they brew it. But you can also ask for tea bags with this subscription. So let me put those aside. And next we have, this is Nepal tea. Oh boy, there's a word there I can't read. So let me see what, I'm going to give an attempt. You want to see me try and pronounce this? Kanchenjunga. Kanchenjunga Noir. Oh, okay. Noir means black. That means it's a black tea. It is an organic black tea. And let's see, a brisk tea with fruity and floral aromas with hints of caramel flavor notes of raisins, cherries, and dark chocolate prominent. That sounds really, really good. So I'm excited to try this one, and this may very well be the one that we do for our taste test. Let me see if there's anything else I need of note on the notes on the back. This is a high caffeine tea, so I need to be aware of that because I have a caffeine sensitivity. So if I have that, I won't do anything else caffeinated throughout the day. Cookie tea. Sorry if I just had my ring light showed up my glasses. It's cookie tea. Dark chocolate cookie. This one is a black tea that's also high caffeine. Oh, doesn't that sound so yummy? I am so excited to try that. All right, let's see what it says about this one. This black tea blend is like indulging in a decadent dark chocolate cookie, perfect for enjoying any time to satisfy your sweet tooth or after dinner as a dessert tea. It's high caffeine. If I drank this after dinner, I'd probably vibrate instead of going to sleep. Oh, let's see. Sip this tea on its own or whip up a scrumptious latte with your favorite milk. That would be yummy. I've never put milk in tea or really liked it, but I'll bet with this one that would be delicious. Okay, next tea. Let's see. Oh, this is, for me, this is exciting, but I'm a tea lover. Chera Teas, teas from the road less traveled. Berry Fields Forever Fruity Herbal Tea with hibiscus and mixed berries. Now that's interesting. I asked for all black tea. I do not know what happened right here. Okay. Well, I do like these kinds of teas. I just have enough of them. Let this herbal tea take you to the lush and bright flavors of Berry Fields Forever, bursting with real berry flavor crafted from a fresh pick of ripe berries, black currants, sour cherries, and hibiscus. This stunning ruby infusion is perfectly tart and uplifting. I do love a tart tea. Add a touch of your favorite sweetener for a refreshing glass of iced tea, or brew with mulling spices and a cinnamon stick for a cozy cold weather treat. That's a really good idea. I've never thought to add a cinnamon stick to my tea. All right, let me see if there's anything else of note. Did I show you the picture on that one? The front of it. It's not a picture. It's just the front. I may have. Sorry if that was a repeat. Let me see. Berry Fields Forever. No, it's caffeine free. I asked for all black tea. I'm going to write them and explain that I want all black tea. I had changed it maybe after they started processing my box. That could be. And then we've got Tiny Bee Tea, Oolong Tea, Rose Apricot Nectar. That sounds really good too. All right, maybe I'm not so upset that they sent me a couple of herbals because these sound pretty good. Okay. This apricot and rose oolong blend is pollinated with special tiny bee powers. Delicious flavor notes blend with the tart sweetness of apricots for a taste that will leave you buzzing. Drink it hot or iced, honey. How cute. So it's got oolong tea, papaya, apple, apricot, natural flavoring, and red rose petals. Okay, so that sounds good too. I'm going to make up my mind while I go upstairs and start brewing or boiling some water so we can brew some tea. I've decided to make the Tiny Bee tea because I already had some caffeinated tea this morning and I don't want to caffeinate myself even more. This says 1 teaspoon per 8 ounces. I believe this is about a 12-ounce container. So I'm just going to do a heaping one of these spoons. And I think that will be about 1.5 teaspoons. Yeah. So we will be back in a minute when I pour the water into my Ingenuitea and we'll show you how this works. Our water is boiling, so I'm going to go ahead and put it in here. In case you didn't see this last month, I'll show you how this works. I'm going to fill that up with the boiling water. I have the paper towel under there just in case it leaks, which it does occasionally. Put the lid down, and now the brew time suggested for this is 5 minutes. So in 5 minutes, we'll be back and I'll be putting it into the mug. The Ingenuitea has a plunger on the bottom. So here we go. We're going to put it right on top of the cup and that's going to drain down. I'll try and leave a link to this. I got mine from Adagio Teas, which is where I buy a lot of my teas. And you can see how much the tea leaves swelled up. So now we have a cup full of tea and I'll be back in a second for a taste test. Okay, taste test of the Tiny Bee Tea Rose Apricot Nectar. It smells really good. I did put a little bit of Splenda in here because I like it a little bit sweet. I can smell the rose a lot. That's actually really yummy. I really like this. I think I would like it even better iced. I may get a bunch of ice, put a metal spoon down in the glass so I don't crack it, and make myself some iced tea. Well, thank you very, very much for taking the time to watch my video. If you could give this a quick like if you liked it, subscribe if you would like to, would be absolutely honored to have you. If you want to get notification of my videos, hit that little bell and comment. I love the comments, and we'll see you on the next unboxing. Bye-bye and be blessed. Hey everyone, today we are doing my monthly. Hi everyone, it's Nancy Ann. Today we are doing my monthly Sips by. What is this?